Have you ever accidentally deleted an important folder? Have you formatted the wrong drive? Or maybe a bad Windows update ate your SSD and all your files seem gone. Before you panic, take a breath. In this video, we're going to look at Stellar Data Recovery Professional, and we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of recovering lost data. So let's get to it. Stellar Data Recovery Professional is a feature-packed, do-it-yourself data recovery tool for Windows and macOS. It's designed to help you recover deleted files and folders, data from formatted or corrupted drives, missing or lost partitions, and even data from raw or inaccessible volumes. It works with internal hard drives and SSDs, external USB drives, SD memory cards, and more. It also supports common file systems like NTFS, FAT and FAT32, exFAT, amongst others. In terms of file types, it can recover documents, photos, videos, audio, emails, and archives from a wide range of formats. So think of it as a general purpose, I just lost something important toolkit. Before we jump into the how-to, I want to hit on two important points. First, safety. Stellar, like other recovery tools, scans in read-only mode. It doesn't write to the drive it's scanning. That helps avoid overwriting recoverable data while it works. Second, system requirements. For Windows OS, you'll need a Windows machine with Windows 8 or higher, an Intel-compatible 64-bit CPU, at least 4 gigabytes of RAM, and around 250 megabytes of free space for the Stellar installation files. Most modern computers will be fine with these specs. All right. Step 1 is to grab the software from Stellar's official site. Once there, go download Stellar Data Recovery Professional. After download, run the installer and follow the standard setup wizard. There's also a free tier that lets you recover up to 1 gigabyte of data, so you can see what's recoverable before paying, which is great if you just need a few critical files back or want to test it first. Once it's installed, launch the Stellar software. On launch, you'll see a Select What to Recover screen. Here you have a few options. You can choose all data if you want to recover absolutely everything it can find. Or you can have the software look for specific file types like documents, email, photos, videos, audio, and so on. If you're trying to rescue a specific project folder or a photo library, unchecking the things you don't need can speed up scans and make the results a little cleaner. Pick what you're interested in and click Next. Next, Stellar asks where to look for the lost data. You'll see options like your main C drive, other internal or external drives, and tools to scan missing partitions or drives that no longer show up normally. If you deleted files from a visible drive, pick that drive. If you accidentally formatted a disk, select the whole disk for better chances of recovery. And if a drive shows as raw or doesn't have a drive letter, but still appears in disk management, use Stellar's option to search for missing volumes. Once you select the right location, click Scan. Stellar first runs a quick scan. This is usually enough for recently deleted files or light damage. If the quick scan doesn't find what you need, you can run a deep scan. The deep scan takes longer, but digs through the drive sector by sector, looking for file signatures and more fragmented data. Once the scan finishes, you'll get a list of the recovery results. Stellar usually shows your recovered data in a few ways. A classic view, which tries to recreate the original folder structure, a file type view, which groups things by type, and a deleted list view, focusing on items it believes were deleted. If the recovery preview looks good, that's a strong sign the files can be recovered successfully. Now it's time to actually recover. Check the boxes next to the files or folders you want and click Recover. Stellar will ask you to choose a destination. Always recover to a different drive than the one you're scanning. If you try to restore data back onto the same failing or formatted drive, you risk overwriting other files that might still be recoverable. So if you're recovering from an external drive, save to your C drive or another healthy disk, and vice versa. Once you pick the destination, click Save and let Stellar copy everything. When it's done, go to that folder in File Explorer and verify that your files open. Now keep in mind that sometimes folder names and file names can be a casualty of data recovery. The folder names I had for these folders are now just random, but the file names are still intact. All right, quick reality check. No software, including Stellar, can guarantee a full recovery. If data has been overwritten by new files, it's usually gone for good. Deeply damaged drives or SSDs with heavy trim activity can return fewer files. Stellar tends to be strong for deleted files, photos, and common formats. There are a few cases where you should skip software entirely and go straight to a professional lab. If the drive is making clicking, grinding, or beeping sounds, if the drive doesn't spin up at all or isn't detected by BIOS, or if you've already tried multiple tools and nothing is being recovered. In those cases, powering it on repeatedly can actually make things worse, and a clean room recovery might be your only shot. It can be expensive, but their successful recovery rates tend to be high. Stellar also offers professional data recovery lab services if you are unlucky in your attempts, or you just want it done right. You can visit their website and request a free quote on professional data recovery if necessary. So, to recap, with Stellar Data Recovery Professional, you can scan a wide range of drives and file systems, recover deleted files, formatted data, and missing partitions, handle tricky cases like RAW or BitLocker encrypted volumes, and you can even preview files before recovery and save them safely to another disk. And if you've just lost something important, remember that it's worth stopping all writes to the affected drive, installing Stellar on a separate computer or drive, and running a scan to see what it can find, using the free limit if you want to test first, is fine. I hope you've enjoyed this quick review of Stellar Data Recovery Professional, and that it becomes a solid option for you, should you find yourself in need of data recovery. If this video was helpful, please smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. It really does help. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye, everybody.